Now I would like to request our Deputy Leader, Marilyn. She is working for the Hero community from last 25 years. Navratri festival. Some people, they don't like us and they don't want to do Navratri. But this is the 20th celebration of our Navratri as well. And the Hero Council, kindly they can see what is the right and what is wrong. And they approved us to continue the Navratri. So the thank you to the Hero Council. And this is the big role from the Deputy Leader and Leader as well. Because they pointed to the officer, please do the right thing for the right purpose. So I would like to honor behalf of World Book of Record, which is they asked me to give the certificate to the Marilyn. Marilyn, I would like to request, please come on the stage. So I would like to request Sanjay Giriji to honor the soul. Same time, I would like to request one of the saint, Pandokar Sarkar, please come on the stage. Pandokar Sarkar, he have special gift from the God. Without saying anything, he can write your past, future and present. If you don't know your date of birth, he will tell you. He don't know your what is the number of the knot we have. He tell you. So he's a very famous, and I would like to request him to honor with this medal of a Deputy Leader of the Hero Council. And I would like to request Hemani. Where is Hemani? Where is the Hemani? Hemani is here. No, it's fine. Okay, so I would like to request our Goa Swami. He's a Padma Shri from the India government. I would like to request him, please come on the stage. He's the honor by India government or Honorable Prime Minister as a Padma Shri. Well, the same honor award which is our Member of Parliament Bob Blackman has been received. So I would like to request our Goa Swami to read this certificate and then we can honor to our Deputy Leader.
Hari Om, it's my pleasure to announce this award. World Book of Records, London, Certificate of Excellence. This certificate is bestowed upon Marilyn Ashton, Deputy Leader of Hero Council, Stanmore Park Ward Councillor, United Kingdom, for 25 years of distinguished leadership, dedicated public service, and lasting commitment to community development, handed over by His Holiness Shri Dr. Raj Rajeshwar Guruji, Peace Ambassador, World Book of Records, United Kingdom. Best wishes. Thank you.
It's the moment of
I would like to request Marilyn to say a few words for the community and the importance of the community for the Hero Council as well.
Well, thank you very much. And I must admit, I'm so touched by this. It's so kind of you. Actually, I've done 26 years now, but who's counting? And many more to go. I've spent most of my time on Harrow Council involved on planning and planning committees and planning policy. That's my subject. And I'm sure you'd all like a big lecture on all the policies and all that, but I don't think it's for this gathering. But what I can tell you is that I'm really humbled by this. I really am. And it's a great honor. And I'd like to wish you all well, and particularly those people who are tuned in from India. I mean, I can't believe I'm being beamed out to another country. It's unusual. Normally, it's just the Harrow Council meetings that I'm beamed out from. So again, that's a great honor. And I can tell you that our administration, of which I'm deputy leader, of Foursquare behind the Hindu community, we feel that we belong. I'm often at my local temple, which is the temple in Wood Lane. And also I go to the manor in Watford. And I must admit, I spoke to one of my friends today and she wanted to know where you could get a good masala dosa, because I'm the one to ask apparently as to where I won't advertise a particular restaurant here, but I can tell you in Harrow, there are plenty of places where you can get really nice masala dosas. So on that cheerful note, I wish you well and have a great evening, and thank you once again for
Thanks
this
a lot.
wonderful
Thanks a lot.
experience.
Thanks a lot.
So thank you, Marilyn. It's very kind of you, and Marilyn is very supportive personality for the Harrow Council. So give her a big hand. Don't be stingy. बोलो नमः पार्वती
पता हर हर महादेव.
So now I would like to request Member of Parliament Padma Shri Bob Blackman. Also, he did good job for the community from the many years. He was the brand leader as well. He's a Padma Shri, which is the honor by India government. So, Bob Blackman, please come on the stage. And I would like to request to our Holy Saint, our Jagat Guru Chakrapani Ji Maharaj, please come on the stage. And our Narangiri Ji Maharaj, please come on the stage. And Risheshwarna Ji Maharaj, please come on the stage to honor our Member of Parliament, favorite. Or our Bhisma Pitama from the Holy Saint Yatindranath Ji Maharaj, Mahamandleswar, please come on the stage and we can honor to the Member of Parliament. Sanjay Giriji also would like to. Chakrapani Ji Maharaj, can you please, Chakrapani Ji Maharaj. Bob, this is a little gift from our International Siddhashram Shakti Center, and this is a special way to make this frame for you. And this is a appreciation award for the Bob Blackman. You can see beautiful photograph, smiling face. This is a smiling face for the community. Thank you. Thank you so much. I would like to request all the saints, please, on your stage. Before I'll give mic to the Bob Blackman, behalf of the Member of Parliament and behalf of our Deputy Leader, we would like to honor our Managing Director of the news channel in India, Network 10. So, Bharat Kirtiman Award. So, Marilyn, I would like to request to honor with the salt to our Managing Director. Is a matching. Also, this is the medal from Bharat Kirtiman Award. Bob, give me this. This is Bharat Kirtiman Award. Sanjay Giri ji from Uttarakhand, Bharat. आपके व्यक्तित्व गुणों और श्रेष्ठ सामाजिक कार्यों के लिए आदर सम्मानित भारत कीर्तिमान प्रदान किया जा रहा है। प्रस्तुतकर्ता हम अपने सिद्धाश्रम के एक छोटे से दास है और शुभेच्छा है संतोष शुक्ला जी एवं कलराज मिश्रा पूर्व राज्यपाल। Thank you and congratulations, Sanjay Giri ji. So I would like to request to Bob to say a few words. Thank you.
Thank you. I don't like a musical accompaniment. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Ram. Ladies and gentlemen, a great pleasure to welcome you all to Harrow. In particular, the Saints. I'd like to welcome you to Harrow. It's hotter here than it is in India right now. It's baking, as we know. We're supposedly at the end of a heat wave, but I don't trust the weather forecasters 1 inch as we go. I know that you've been going to various different venues, and in fact I think I've been to 3 of the venues during this tour, so congratulations. I'd like to thank Guruji for bringing together people from all different religions to celebrate. It's vitally important in this world that we bring people together, all different religions, sitting down, talking to one another, rather than ending up in war. So thank you, Guruji. And the only thing I will say is that just in this heat, just what you needed was a series of scarves and flowers and petals. I'm sure you were glad to get it off as a result, but suitably honoured. I'd also like to, particularly as we're talking to so many people in India, I wish you a very happy Independence Day for tomorrow. We will be raising the flag at Siddhashram at around 10:30, 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, celebrating Independence Day. Indeed, I think we're on the 80th anniversary, so fantastic for everyone involved in Harrow to celebrate together with you. And not to be outdone, I know Marilyn has done 26 years public service, distinguished public service. This November, I will reach my 40th successive year in elected office. And I'm delighted, of course, that Marilyn is carrying on as a councillor in Harrow. And I'm delighted that Harrow East Conservative Association has agreed for me to be the candidate at the next general election whenever it comes. So for those of you that thought you were getting rid of me, think again. We're carrying on for many more years to come. And indeed, I've been honoured by the Indian government with the Padma Shri Award, and I dedicate my service to all the people of Harrow, but particularly, of course, to our friends from India. They are the living bridge between the biggest democracy in the world and the oldest democracy in the world, and we celebrate our relationship between India and the United Kingdom for many, many years to come, to growing stronger as ever, but built on a spiritual basis. So, I end as I began. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Oh, come on, I know it's hot.
Yes.
Jai Shri
Please.
Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Ram.
Ram.
Thank you,
गर्मी हो
Bob.
रही है ये नेटवर्क 10 की जो संत संसद है, ये सनातन गौरव राज राजेश्वर जी को सम्मान दे रही है, आशीर्वाद दे रही है। नेक्स्ट टाइम। तो ये राजेश्वर जी, क्योंकि लगातार आप प्रयास कर रहे हैं सनातन के लिए, तो एक छोटा सा प्रयास ये नेटवर्क 10 और इस संत संसद की ओर से आपके लिए। और आज एक और घोषणा, क्योंकि हमारे सभी संतों की बात हुई, तो वर्ल्ड पीस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इसकी आज घोषणा कर रहे हैं महाराज जी। ये संत संसद अब पूरे विश्व में शांति के लिए जाएगी, क्योंकि टुगेदर फॉर ए पीसफुल वर्ल्ड, ये चाहे वो ब्रिटिश के संत हैं, ब्रिटिश के लोग हैं, और चाहे वो भारत के संत हैं, भारत के लोग हैं, हर कोई पीस के लिए काम करना चाहता है, शांति के लिए काम करना चाहता है। तो आज इस मंच से हम एक और ये घोषणा कर रहे हैं, वर्ल्ड पीस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। और राज राजेश्वर जी, ये आपका प्रयास रहा है, इसका लोगो भी आप सर से जारी करा दीजिए। और मैम प्लीज, हाँ प्लीज, डेप्यूटी मेयर मैम प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज। थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट। अब देखो, थैंक्स अ लॉट।
So now I would like to request our Deputy Mayor of the Harrow Council to say a few words because she have another engagement.
विटामिन्स ओवर
मेरी टेस्ट स्ट्रिप्स भी।
और मेरी
Today, as we celebrate the 25th anniversary, the Silver Jubilee of the International Siddhashram Shakti Centre UK. Today's Sant Sansad is a truly historic occasion. We are privileged to welcome reverend saints and spiritual leaders, many of whom have travelled especially from India to United Kingdom to offer their blessings and to share a message of peace, harmony, and spiritual wisdom. The gathering has a significance for beyond today's program. Through this Sant Sansad, these reverend saints have come together to offer a vision and a message for the wider world, a message of unity, compassion, peaceful coexistence, and Vasudeva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. The historic Sant Sansad also forms a very special part of the Silver Jubilee celebration of the International Siddhashram Shakti Centre UK, marking 25 years of dedicated service to the community and humanity. For the Harrow community, it is a particularly proud moment to host such a significant spiritual gathering here in United Kingdom. I personally feel very blessed and privileged to have had the opportunity to receive darshan and blessings from the reverend saints who have joined us for this auspicious occasion celebration. I would especially like to express my heartfelt gratitude to His Holiness Sri Raj Rajeshwar Guruji for giving me this divine experience and for bringing together such a remarkable gathering of spirituality, faith, and service and community. So thank you, Guruji. I'd also like to extend my sincere thanks to Network 10 news channel in India for supporting and promoting this charitable initiative across the world, and particularly to Mr. Sanjay Giri for his valuable support. Thank you, Sanjay Bhai. You've done a great job. My sincere gratitude also goes to Satchidanand Nanak Dham and Hazur Maharaj Trilojan Darshan Das Ji, spiritual successor of Sachkhand Nanak Dham, for his significant support and contribution in making this occasion so meaningful. Today is not just about celebrating 25 years. It's about celebrating seva, compassion, and spirituality and power of the community. The work carried out over these years has touched many lives, and this Silver Jubilee is a wonderful opportunity to recognize the contribution and look forward to many more years of service. I'd also like to take a moment to congratulate Marilyn Ashton, Deputy Leader of Harrow Council, who's received her award today for the recognition of her 25 years dedicated public service. I was personally very pleased and honored to nominate Marilyn for her recognition. 25 years of public service is an extraordinary achievement, and I believe it is important that we recognize and celebrate those who dedicate so much of their lives to serve our community. Of course, Bob Blackman, MP, who has relentlessly supported the Hindu community and personally has supported me throughout my journey and nominating me to be the Deputy Mayor. So thank you, Bob and Marilyn. Finally, I'd like to thank all the Reverend Saints. Thank you, Gurujis, organizers, volunteers, community leaders, and everyone who has traveled from near and far to be part of this beautiful historic occasion. May the blessings of the saints and the grace of the divine continue to guide us, bring peace and harmony to our communities, and inspire us all to serve the humanity with compassion and humility. Jai Siya Ram, Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Siya Ram, Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you very, very much, ma'am. Thank you.
Before we next program, I would like to request Emma Underwood. She is inspector for the Midland Immigration. Emma, I would like to request on the stage. Please come on the stage. And the next also Manoj Lal. I would like to request Narayan Giriji, please come on the stage. Narayan Giriji. Pandogar Sarkar. And Bhavna Giriji from Australia. When I went to Australia, she looked after me, a beautiful temple in Melbourne. And we did together one program in Parliament as well. And our dear friend from the Akhada, Bhupendra Giriji, please join. So Pandoga Sarkar and Bhupendra Giriji, I would like to request, please honor up Emma ko. Thank you. So, Emma, this is a little gift from behalf of our organization. I heard you done good job for the community. Good job for the community, and your name is nominated by Manoj Lal. He said if I come, but I want to bring my boss as well. Without your order, he cannot do anything. So I said, the person who work for the community responsibility to look after the officers. So this is the enforcement department. If the people do illegal in this country, they are the dangerous officer who can pick you up and throw them out of the country. But the right way. But they're very kind. Few years back, they opened the voluntary departure service. And the voluntary departure service, with the respectful, they give you rules and regulations. They support you, and then respectfully they send you back. And they come back after 2 years or 3 years, whatever according to the law. So Emma, thank you. You're looking after the Midland. So this is the little gift for you. This is also appreciations honor certificate for you. कंजूसाई मत करो भाई, ताली तो बजाओ, इतने कंजूस कहां से बन गए तुम? Thank you, Emma. This for you. The next, Manoj Lal. So I would like to request Pandoga Sarkar to honor our officer. नारायण गिरी जी, प्लीज आप उनसे उनको सर्टिफिकेट दीजिए. भावनागिरी जी, आप उनसे सम्मानित कीजिए. And also, your face is serious. I think you are going to go and someone arrested and then throw out from this country. But Manoj Lal is very kind person, support the community. Thank you so much for coming. Emma, you want to say a few words? You okay? Thank you.
Thanks, Manoj. Thank you.
I would like to request Kuldeep and Beena on the stage and Lucy. I would like to request our Mahamandleswar Umakanta Nanji Maharaj, please come on the stage. Niranjan Swami.
In a country that loves mango so much, nobody has done this yet. We've experimented.
On the stage. And Jain Acharya Devendra ji. Mahamandleswar Umakanta ji Maharaj, please honor. Lucy, thank you for coming. Lucy is the boss for the North London. Jain Acharya ji, please. Brahmi Devi Guruma, can you please to Beena? Mahamanishi Niranjan ji. Kuldeep, see, he is illegal in this country, yeah? They are the body, if they have power to block the visa, they have power to send them, they have power to bring them. Manish, please come on the stage. Jitendra, please don't take photo, you please. I'll send you the photograph. Vijay Baba, please come on the stage. Thank you for coming. You want to say something? I would like to request Lucy to say a few words.
I'd just like to say thank you very much for inviting us all today and letting us be a part. And let us be a part of the celebration. We are very lucky to support Harrow and with all of our surgeries, and we're very thankful to be able to work with you. So thank you very much again for letting us be here.
Thank you, Lucy. Thank you so much. Now I would like to request, please. Thank you. Our president of the Wembley Temple, Narendra Chakra, please come on the stage. And I would like to request our patron, former Mayor Pankaj Shah, please come on the stage. I would like to request Sanjay Giri to honor our president of the family, Sanatan Mandir, and request our Pankaj Shah to honor the soul. Also like to request Kanti Bhai Nagda come on the stage, please. Kanti Bhai. Thank you, Narendra Bhai. Narendra Bhai is very kind and support us for the many years at the great temple in the United Kingdom. Yesterday we visited and he welcomed very well. Thank you so much. Thank you. I would like to request Sanjay Giri to honor our Kanti Bhai Nagda. For many years, he supported our community to guide right people in the right direction. Thank you. So behalf of Network 10 and Siddhashram. So now we move on. Our person Sonu Malkani and Krishna Ben, please come on the stage. Jayantiram Baba, please come on the stage. Or Batugiri Babu, please come on the stage. Please come on, quick. You both very young. Batugiri Babu is honoring our Sono Malkani ji, and Jayantiram Baba honoring our Krishna Ben. Sanjay Giriji Maharaj. Krishna Ben. Sono ji. Krishna Ben. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Thanks, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks, everyone. पर थोड़ी तालियों की कमी दिख रही है. Mr. Prince, please come on the stage. आप तो वैसे भी राजकुमार हैं भाई. और
Like to request our Jagat Guru Chakrapani ji Maharaj, please on the stage. थोड़ी देर में हम संसद discussion between the all holy saints. SP Swami, please come on the stage, please. SP Swami. SP Swami is from Gadira. Prince is a secretary from Ilford PHP Temple. Like to request Sanjay Giriji to honor Prince. Global Peace Award for the Prince. So this is our duty of International Siddhashram Shakti Center Network 10 to appreciate the people who work for the community. Thank you, Prince. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Maharaji.
Now I would like to request Niranjan Swami Maharaj. And also like to request Pankaj Shah and his wife, he's a deputy mayor. Please come on the stage. Niranjan Swami Maharaj. Niranjan Swami ji is my dear friend of last many years. He's a global Baba with a global mobile. He's always on the phone to connect the community. So today is unity and diversity to connect the community. So I would like to request our Sanjay Giriji to honor Niranjan Swami with the soul. And our deputy mayor. And Pankaj ji, please. ताली बजाया करो यार. खाना मिलेगा, प्रसाद मिलेगा. And the Global Peace Award to the Niranjan Swami. Thank you. Avi Sharma ji from the Holland, Avi Sharma, please come on the stage. I would like to request our SP Swami and Goa Swami on the stage, please. Goa Swami, please. Swami Brahmeshwaranandacharya Ji Maharaj, Padma Shri from the India government. Chandrakala Sakhi, please come on the stage. SP Swami, please honor with and Sanjay Giriji Maharaj together. Global Peace Award to our Avi Sharma, and we request him do more good work for the community in Holland and Europe. Thank you so much. From Bhavana Giriji from the Australia. Bhavana Giriji from the Australia. Bhavana Puri ji from the Kali Temple, Melbourne. Request Chandrakala ji to honor Bhavana Puri ji. Request Sanjay Giri ji to honor Bhavana Puri ji, Giri ji and Puri ji together for the community and the award. ताली बजाओ भाई. Thank you so much. Thank you. Risheshwaranand Maharaj from the Haridwar. Risheshwaranand Maharaj, please, from the Haridwar. Request Emma, please come on the stage to honor our Emma Underwood, please come on the stage and honor our holy saints from Haridwar. Risheshwaranandi Maharaj, when I went to the Haridwar 2013, he looked after me as a brother. So Emma, I would like to request you, please honor our Risheshwaranand Maharaj. Thank you. Our Buddhist monks is here as well. Behalf of Buddhist community, please come and welcome. Devendra Jain from Jainism, please come on the stage. I would like to request Lucy, please come on the stage. Lucy. Please come up in front. Krishna Ben, Anna Beswado, Maharaj. Vimpesher, please come on the stage at the front. Thank you. Thank you. Please come on the front. Yeah. Lucy honored our Jain monks from India. थोड़ी देर में ही हम Vempesher, nice to see you from the long time. Global Peace Award to the Devendra Jain ji. And this is the kindness from the Network 10 TV. ट्रस्टियों से निवेदन, हमारे वेम्परश्रेर जो बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क्स है उनका स्वागत करें, ताली से सम्मानित करें उनको। 5 साल पहले हमारे सिद्धाश्रम में उन्होंने आकर के बुद्धिस्ट की पूरी प्रेयर्स की थी और आज हमारे आए। आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट कुलदीप, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज। And Bhavika ji from the Brahma Kumari, please on the stage. Come on the stage, please. Request our dear friend and holy monks from the special Kumbh Mela. When you go to the Kumbh Mela, the big poster and the Naga Baba जो चलता है Kumbh Mela, आज तो कपड़े पहने हैं उन्होंने. So Bhupendra Giri ji, please. Request Kuldeep ji to honor Bhupendra Giri ji and Bhavika to honor Bhupendra Giri ji as well. The monks from the Kumbh Mela, Holy Kumbh Mela. So आपको कुंभ मेले जाए नहीं जाए, आप यहाँ दर्शन कर लिया. Sanjay Giri ji, I would like to request. And the Global Peace Award, behalf of Siddhashram and the Network 10 to the Bhupendra Giri ji Maharaj. ताली बजाओ, कंजूसाई मत करो भाई. Thank you so much. Thank you. Jayantinam Bapa from the Gujarat. And request Bina, come on the stage, please. Solo. Request Tarun Gulati, please come on the stage and order the Jayantinam Bapa as well. All the immigration office, they go to the gym or what? No? Okay. Please honor our Jayantinam Bapa. Sanjay Giri ji Maharaj, honor the Jayantinam Bapa as well. Bina is honored with Global Peace Award to the Jayantinam Bapa. He is from the Gujarat, Jamnagar. He had a great and big ashram. Many children who study there. Big Gausala. So Jayantinam Bapa, thank you. Tame avya, maja avi. Please. Thank you. I would like to request our Harish Joshi. He is a CEO of MATV, Apna MATV. With the new management, with the new person who is trying to support the local community with the TV. I would like to request SP Swami Maharaj on the stage. S.C. Swami is working very hard in the Gujarat and also the Peanut Temple, Swaminarayan Temple. Ghanshyam Bhai, please come on the stage as well to honor the Swamijis. And next, Batu Giriji Maharaj from the Surat. इसके बाद सबका सम्मान के बाद संत संसद अभी हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. Ghanshyam Bhai is a very good friend of mine. When I was a mechanic in this country in 1994, I used to पहले मैं गाड़ी रिपेयर करता था, अभी आदमी को रिपेयर कर रहा हूं. Bhattu Giriji Maharaj is from Surat. So, behalf of Network 10 and Siddhashram, this award ceremony to all our holy saints.
So, you're still deploying your apps without Docker in Kubernetes? That's bold. And
संतों ही शांति का प्रतीक है और संतों के माध्यम से शांति प्राप्त कर सकती है. खूब खूब धन्यवाद, खूब खूब धन्यवाद. Vimpershri, please come on the stage. I would like to request, please. Mahamandaleshwar Atindranath Maharaj, please come on the stage. Atindranath Maharaj, please come on the stage. और महाबले से Atindranath Maharaj from the Haridwar, Vimpershri is honoring him. ताली से सम्मानित कीजिए हमारे महामंडलेश्वर अतिंद्रनाथ जी महाराज जी को. And I would like to request Sanjay Giri ji Maharaj to honor our Vimpershri, who came long way to support our events on behalf of Buddhist community. Jagat Guru Chakrapani ji Maharaj, I would like to request on the stage, please. And I would like to request our President of Mahavir Foundation and Vice President Mukesh Kapasi and Neeraj ji come on the stage to honor our Chakrapani ji Maharaj. Membership, please join. ताली बजाते रहो, ताली बजाओगे तो दुख भी दूर, दर्द दूर होगा और सम्मान भी होगा संतों का। I would like to request Goa Swami, please come on the stage. Goa Swami. Manoj Lal, please come on the stage, please. Manoj Lal. And उसके साथ I would like to request President of Hindu Forum Britain and ब्रह्मी देवी जी भी आप आइए, हम आपके स्वामी जी का स्वागत करना चाहते हैं। So immigration officer honoring our Brahmeshwar Swami ji from the Goa, and I would like to request Trupti Ben to honor our Brahmi Devi ji. Maharaj, can you please honor our Goa Swami? Recently I went to the Goa and the Swami ji organized the big events, Kumbh Mela at the seaside. So he changed the picture for the Goa. ताली ताली से सम्मान कीजिए, ताली बजाइए प्लीज। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। Shivpuri Ji Maharaj, he is working South Hall from the many years. Shivpuri Ji Maharaj, like to request our Krishna Suresh, our formal mayor of the Harrow Council. And request Paras Bhai, please come on the stage from the Jain temple. Paras Bhai. To honor our Swamiji, Paras Bhai. Paras Bhai have a big commitment. He recently opened the new Jain temple in the Kolindal. Big projects, millions pound project. Paras Bhai and Krishna Suresh ji would like to request to honor our Shivpuri Ji Maharaj with the Global Peace Award. Thank you so much. संजय गिरी जी महाराज ने इंग्लैंड की धरती पर आकर संसद का एक शंखनाद किया और हमारे संत श्री तलोचन दास जी महाराज ने कृपा करके 3 प्रोग्राम ऐसे अद्भुत आयोजन किए। तो खूब खूब धन्यवाद। हैरी जी महाराज दास भी यहाँ है, उनकी संगत भी है। रिक्वेस्ट नारायण गिरी जी महाराज दुधेश्वर महादेव मंदिर, दिल्ली, गाजियाबाद। I would like to request Mahendra Singh Jadeja, please come on the stage and honor our holy saints from Delhi. जल्दी थोड़ा सा आने की कृपा कीजिए तो अच्छा रहेगा। Also like to request Krishna Ben Punjara on the stage as well and honor our Swamiji. Mahendra Singh Jadeja, please come on the stage. Krishna Ben, can you please honor our Sanjay Giriji Maharaj, I would like to request to Haridas Maharaj. So, behalf of Siddhashram and Network 10, I'd like to honor our Narayan Giriji Maharaj. ताली बजाया करो, ताली और smile together give the happiness. Thank you so much. Thank you. Our Mahamandaleswar Uma Shankar Maharaj from the Haridwar, please come on the stage. Request Sashi Suresh. Sashi ji is our hero counselor. And at the same time, I would like to request our Paramahans Yogi ji come on the stage to honor our Mahamandaleswar ji. Request Sanjay Giriji Maharaj to honor our तम तम ताली बजनी चाहिए. Now the divine energy of India, our Pandugar Sarkar, please come on the stage. I would like to request Pandugar Sarkar have a divine power. Maharaj ji from the Vrindavan, I would like to request on the stage. Puja Maharaj ji from the Vrindavan, please come on the stage. And also like to request Vijaya Dave on the stage as well. Vijaya Dave ji to honor Pandugar Sarkar. Pandugar Sarkar है डिवाइन जी, आप उनको कुछ बताओ नहीं और आपके पॉकेट में क्या है आपका वो पूरा लिख के दे देंगे. सो हमारे मध्य प्रदेश के एक महान दिव्य विभूति महाराज जी, स्वागत कीजिए पांडुगर सरकार का. और विजया देवी जी, Sanjay Giriji Maharaj request to honor our Pandugar Sarkar and Global Peace Award to the Pandugar Sarkar too. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And now I would like to request Vipul Shir, please come on the stage. Vipul, please. And also Emma and Lucy, please, again I troubled you, please come on the stage to honor our Managing Director of Network 10 TV. So Pandugar Sarkar is a त्रिकालदर्शी सम्राट, हमारा भारत के एक रत्न है, भारत की विभूति है जो सबके विभूति दे करके कल्याण करती है. और हम निवेदन करते हैं, लूसी, आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट आवर मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर टू ऑनर आवर मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर फॉर द नेटवर्क 10 TV. Emma, this way. So we are taking benefit of you. This is the appreciation award for the Network 10 who came and support United Kingdom, bring all the holy saints in London, United Kingdom, and the assembly for the saints. This is the first time happen in United Kingdom. So many saints from the Akhada who supported United Kingdom, and we are trying to bring the good relationship, holy relationship between the India and United Kingdom. Thank you, Sanjay Giriji. Thank you so much. Now, thank you, Emma. Thank you, Lucy. From the Punjab, Pawan Das ji, please come on the stage. There's so many holy people try to support the community like a Paramahans Yogi ji and so many. So thank you so much for coming. Now we'll move on to the Sun Sansad. The people, they're waiting and the channel is also waiting. Pawan Das from the Punjab. Mataji, please come as well on the stage. People who sponsor us, who support us during this period, for the food every day, look after the saints. And because when some guest is coming from, we do our work, and then if we forget, that is not gratitude and appreciation. But our sponsor, Ayush Shakti from India, if they are here, thank you. Thank you for coming. Amanya from Jatin Patel. Jatin Patel, can you please come on the stage? Jatin ji. Jatin and his wife make a food for the saint every day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. So I would like to request on the stage. I request Panduka Sarkar to honor this, our Siddhashram's member who look after saints' food every day, morning to evening. Jaldi aao, babu. Quality food who support our fruit today. Quality food who's representing. Please come on the stage. Ayushri, please. Sanjay Giriji Maharaj, I would like to request quality food as a drink. Park Royal is here, who support our water, more than 2,000 bottles today. Nisa local Amin Pankhania, Anil ji is here. Jatin Patel, Sobna Modi, our trustee. Please come on the stage. Sobna Modi. Sobna is working 24/7 for our charity. Make sure each and every guest, each and every saints be happy for the food, drink, accommodation, everything. Pina Patel. inviting Sant Sansad now. Raksh Solanki, Rakesh Solanki. Ashwin Patel. And I would like to request, I would like to say thank you today, special our Pramod Joshi, CEO of Astha TV, who sent all the cameraman team, and Hemant Bhai Surya from the Rajkot, whose team, and Hemant Bhai Surya from the Rajkot, who support this live telecast, and now is going on the Network 10. So thank you so much for supporting this our event. Ashwin Patel. जलद जोशी कहाँ आ गया? ठीक है. रितेश Patel is our technical who look after all the electric computers. He is an engineer for the cyber security as well. Bhavesh Bhai Kapadia and all our volunteers. Hemani Dave, please come on the stage. Hemani. Also a team from the Leicester who came. Deepak Bhai kahan? Deepak and Sagar Jogia, please come on the stage. Like to request our Panduka Sarkar to honor this our member when we call this support day and night. Our councillor Geeta from the Leicester. Geeta coffee, और कभी कॉफी पिला ही नहीं है अभी तक. आइए ऊपर. काउंसिलर लोग बोलते हैं काम कम करते हैं. आइए. Harry Das, I would like to request come on the stage to honor Harry. हैरी आपको बुलाया जा रहा है ऊपर. प्लीज आइए और सम्मान कीजिए हमारे इस ताली बजाना बिल्कुल टैक्स फ्री, VAT फ्री, सो यू कैन क्लैप योर. I would like to request Panduka Sarkar to honor our Harry as well. Panduka Sarkar, please. Harry. So behalf of such Nanak Dham, Harry ji. And the last but not least, our child, he's grown up front of me, Dhruv from the Kutch. He's a Bhagavad Acharya. Many people who's watching Network 10 in India sending the message, and they appreciate Sanjay Giriji Maharaj, Sanjay Giriji, who organize and support in United Kingdom this event. Dhruv, thank you so much. I would like to request all the guests, please sit on the stage. Sit in the chair. Thank you for coming. This is our Likal Prasad. And now we are starting Sant Sansad.
थैंक चले महाराज जी फिर